Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to get more matches on Bumble on device. Now, if you want to get more matches on Bumble on a device, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started now. If you want to get more match on Bumble, but you don't know how to do it, you need to simply download and install Bumble on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Open Bumble app on the device. So this is the home page of Bumble app. Now, if you want to get more match and if you are using as a male, and if you want to get more match girls, and if you are using as girls, then if you want to get more match of boys, then you need to simply edit your profile. Now click on the profile section, and as you can see, I have already completed 44% of my profile. So click on the option of complete profile. So now you need to choose your best photo. You may add the best photo of yours. You may verify your profile to attention and grab more attention of other people's. You may also add your favorite interest. You may add your causes and communities, your qualities, the qualities which you have, the prompts which you think is good for you, your opening move. You may also add your bio and click on the option of tick at the very top right, and you may add your work, education, gender, location, your hometown, and more about you. So after doing this, as you can see, the profile strength has completed 49% of it. So if you keep on doing like this, and if you complete the 100% of your profile, then you may get more match. And to get more match, keep on swiping for the dream girl which you are looking for. So keep on swiping for the people which you think is good for you. So she is not my type, then you may simply do the left swipe and keep on swiping to get more matches on Bumble. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.